welcome to Coding at Home with the Code Hub. Of course, it's not really coding at home with the Code Hub today. I'm Matt with the Code Hub. We are not going to be holding our regular Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live streaming session today. We've got our beginner session over on Zoom. If you signed up through the link, great. If not, there's the link right there. You can sign up. We're covering lots of beginner material on Fridays at 1 p.m. We've got a great class of kids who are just working through the very beginnings of Hello Byte, the playground. We'll be doing that for the entire month of May. Come along, it should be a lot of fun. One note I did want to make though, in yesterday's session we were doing some work that could form the basis of your foundation for your Swift Student Challenge submission. If you go to developer.apple.com, there's a big WWDC 20 banner. If you tap on that, you can get more information about the Swift Student Challenge. They're looking for an interactive playground. And I wanted to just give you a quick demo of where you can grab like a base playground to base your interactive playground off of. It uses a lot of the code from Camera Create, which is a starting point that we covered briefly yesterday. So let's jump over to the iPad. I'll show you that, and then I'll let you get on with your day, or ideally join the live session at 1 o'clock over on Zoom. So let's switch over to the iPad. There you go. We're just having a little trouble getting over the iPad. Give me 1 second. All right, let's try switching iPads. Is that one's not working out? Oh. 1 second, and we'll show it to you. But what we're going to do is we're going to open up the Swift Playground app, and we're going to go to More Playgrounds. In just a second, if I can ever get it plugged in. All right, here we are. All right, so obviously this is not the playground we want. Now I'm in Swift Playgrounds. I'm going to go to More Playgrounds here, down at the bottom. And if I swipe up, most of you who've been following along should have this playground feed from the Code Hub in your Swift Playgrounds app already. We've added a new one called App at Home. That's basically just a starter playground that's based on the code used in Camera Create. In fact, a lot of that code is taken wholesale from Apple's Playground and used on our in this new template. If you get this template, it is a very bare bones template. But the idea for the Swift Student Challenge is that you would create your own playground. So, that's probably the best way to start. We'll be going over this blank template on Monday's session, which is obviously too late for the Swift Student Challenge, but not too late for next year's. So we'll work through it, and hopefully you'll get some ideas for how you might use this playground to create your own game or quiz or some kind of interactive playground that's really going to catch the judge's eye and bring you glory at next year's WWDC 21. We'll just give it a couple more seconds to download. And a couple more seconds is the tech equivalent of watching paint dry. Here we go. Just tap on the icon. We say, yep, we do want to open it. And then here we go. So we have a space and we have to create some components. We have the same things available to us that are in the Camera Creates playground. We have a button, we have image views, you name it, we can add it. You can also add your own classes, just like we did with the My Camera class. So why don't you download it, give it a shot, especially if you're looking to submit something on Sunday for the Swiss Student Challenge. If not, we'll see you on Monday when we'll be walking through this playground anyway and building our own version of the aquarium that we saw yesterday. All right, good luck, and if you're not in the Zoom session, I'll see you